Bet everyone's stronger now that they've been training. I have no idea what to expect with these androids, but I really want to test my moves on them. All right, let's do this! Try this! My power! No, you should train some more.
You're late.
Sorry, but I did manage.
I figured as much. Luckily for...
Sorry about that.
How's the training coming along, Goku? If you have any unfinished business, I suggest take care of it now. And...
I have no idea what to expect with these androids.
So, are you ready to begin your training?
Whoa! Whoa! How's this? Whoa!
Wow!
No idea what to expect with these androids, but I really want to test my moves on them. Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. I need to train up and get stronger than ever so I can take on whatever kind of androids come our way. My turn now! Try this! Here goes!
Special beam cutter! You're late.
Sorry, but I did manage to get in a good bit.
I figured as much.
Sorry about that.
How's the training coming along, Goku? We've done so much to prepare. Guess we're about to find out whether our training is sufficient enough to handle these androids.
Right.
Three years had passed, and the fated day of May 12th had finally come.
All right, you three be careful out there. You sure you don't want to take some lunch?
No, we're good, Mom. Thanks.
Sorry, Chi-Chi. All right, we're off! It's probably nothing.
Hey, Goku, tell me the truth. These androids, do you think we have a chance against these guys?
I honestly can't tell you if we do. I won't know until we actually fight them. Go on, take it easy, okay? Don't worry, we've got plenty of time. Don't use up all that power of yours before the fight even starts.
Oh, sorry. Miles southwest of South City. There it is.
And so, the warriors gathered at the time and place that Trunks had mentioned. Bulma, who was eager to see the androids for herself, greeted them. But she wasn't alone. She had a baby boy in tow. That boy was a young Trunks, the child she had with Vegeta. All except Goku were surprised to see the child. However, the impending arrival of the androids quickly put everyone back on edge. Then, as Goku and the others stood ready, flames suddenly began to break out in the city.
What's going on?
An explosion in the city!
Is it the androids? Could be, but there's no way to tell from here. Hey, what gives? I couldn't sense their power at all.
That's it! They're androids, which means we can't sense their energy.
You're kidding, right?
Where could they be?
If we can't sniff them out, then we're just gonna have to hunt them down.
All right, guys, split up. If you spot them, let the rest of us know. Got it? Gohan, you go help the people who are caught up in that explosion, okay?
Okay.
The androids attack.
Let's go!
Jeez. Where could those things possibly be? I'm starting to think I should have had Trunks show me a picture of them or something. I never imagined we wouldn't be able to track their energy. Talk about a pain. Krillin, how are things going with you?
Not so good, Goku. No androids over here.
Gotcha. If you find one of them, let us know, okay? If it's me you're after, then show your faces already! Yeah! Maybe one of the other guys found them. Tien Shinhan!
Sorry, but I haven't found the androids.
Same here. There's gotta be some place we haven't thought to look. Ah! Where are you? Come on, show yourselves! First things first, we need to find those androids and head back to town. Even though we knew the androids were coming, we still couldn't stop them.
Nope, not here.
Anything, Piccolo?
Nothing at all. There's no trace of them anywhere.
All right, be on your guard. Whoa, I just felt a huge drop in someone's energy. It's Yamcha? Yamcha! Krillin! Yamcha's still alive! I left some sensu beans behind. Get him out of here and give him one, will ya?
Right, I'm on it.
So, you're the androids.
Odd. How did you figure out that we were androids? And it would seem you also knew that we'd be right here. Why is that?
You want us to talk? Then you're gonna have to try and make us.
Very well.
Wait, not here. Let's move somewhere else. Somewhere with no people. You're okay with that, right?
Somewhere with no people? Fine. We will allow you to choose the place of your death, Goku.
How do you know Goku's name?
We know all of you. You are Piccolo. And you are Tien, yes?
We can talk about this later. Let's go! Wait a minute. How did they know our names?
Not surprised the androids know about Goku. He's the one who took down the Red Ribbon Army.
That's far enough, Goku. This ends now. We will fight right here. You have lost your right to choose the location.
So, before we fight, tell us, how? Tell us, how do you know who we are?
Very well. I will tell you. Goku, I have been observing you for quite some time now, using an ultra-small spy robot of mine. During the World Tournament, during your fights with Piccolo and Vegeta, I continued my research long after you destroyed the Red Ribbon Army, so that I could someday witness your defeat.
Revenge against me, huh?
Yes. Because of you, the Red Ribbon Army could never realize its dream of world domination. Only Dr. Gero remained.
You're talking almost as if you're Dr. Gero himself.
Don't be ridiculous. I am a creation of his. I am Android 20. Dr. Gero is no longer among the living.
All right, then. Did you happen to observe my fight on planet Namek? Huh?
There was no need to waste the time. We were able to effortlessly ascertain your power after your fight with Vegeta.
You're in for some real trouble, because guess what? You missed the best part!
What?
Whether you know it or not, you just dug your own grave. You don't know about Super Saiyans.
I see. Impressive, but no cause for concern. Android 19 here should be more than enough to defeat you.
Oh, yeah? Well then, what do you say? See what he's got, huh?
Why would Goku be trying to rush the fight? He's already nearing his full power. He's in a lot of pain by the looks of him.
He absorbed the attack?
Goku! Don't fire any energy attacks! They can absorb them with their hands!
Absorb the attacks? Give me a break.
What's going on? Goku doesn't look so good.
Wait. It can't be. It's the heart virus the kid from the future mentioned.
What? You mean he hasn't taken the medicine yet?
I don't believe it. He seemed perfectly fine when he was training alongside me and Gohan. Damn. Of all the times for Goku to get sick, why did it have to be now?
Man, I'm not doing so hot. What's going on?
If anyone's going to defeat Kakarot, it's going to be me, not some junk puppets like you. Vegeta!
I felt an incredible energy over there earlier, but it's pretty weak now. Maybe the fight's over.
Gohan!
Krillin! Yamcha! What's going on?
One of the androids did me in, but Krillin here saved me with the sensu bean.
I've got more sensu beans here. We need to meet up with the others and fast. Over there!
Dad?
Goku!
The heart virus that the kid from the future mentioned. That's likely what he's struggling with.
No!
Somebody needs to get him out of here and give him that heart medicine right away. I'll take him. I hate to admit it, but I'm probably not going to be much help here anymore. Looks like you've got to deal with me now.
Android 20, please allow me to exterminate Vegeta!
Very well. Then I will take care of the remaining 4.
You two don't look as tough as everyone had said you would be.
We already know the full extent of your fighting prowess.
Oh, you need more than calculations to understand us Saiyans. So tell me, are androids capable of experiencing fear?
Vegeta's a Super Saiyan?
I've yearned for nothing more than greater power and trained the hardest I've ever trained. Eventually, I came to realize the limitations of my power. Overwhelmed with anger and frustration, I finally awakened and became a Super Saiyan!
That might be impressive to some. A paltry power increase does not make you a match for us androids.
That cocky sneer will soon be turned into sheer terror. Now that I've become a Super Saiyan, no one can best me. Well,
Let's do this!
Believe it!
Don't underestimate me! Don't underestimate me! You're nothing!
Your energy is mine! It's over!
Prepare yourself! Don't feel pain, right? That must be nice.
Your efforts are futile!
Prepare yourself! Got a gun! Got a gun! Don't underestimate me! Believe it! Got a gun!
Your energy is mine!
Got a gun! Got a gun! What's wrong? Did you make a miscalculation somewhere?
Your efforts are
Got a gun! Got a gun! Prepare yourself! Believe it!
energy is mine! Your efforts are futile!
My face! Believe it! Got a gun! Believe it!
Efforts are futile!
capable of fear after all! Take this! Have a taste of Super Vegeta's Big Bang Attack! I've used up a lot of my power. If you want to take me down, now's your chance. Come at me.
Your power may have exceeded my initial calculations, but it's still not enough to defeat us androids.
You're not going anywhere!
I'm going too. I want to see the end of the androids with my own eyes.
Yeah, count me in too.
Me too.
Fine. But don't get pulled into the fight. He's more than you guys can handle. He's trying to lose us among the rocks. If you find him, let everyone else know, okay?
Amplify Android Terror.
That android is a whole lot craftier than I thought he would be. There's been no word from Gohan and the others. I'd better go ask them, just in case. Since we can't sense his energy, this'll be tricky. There's no sign of him having left this rocky area. He's more than likely hiding somewhere. Etienne, got anything?
No, I still haven't caught sight of him.
Have you seen him, Krillin?
Nope. He's pretty well hidden in these rocks.